Hello YouTube. Oh, today is the 7th December and it's around 2 weeks to Christmas. Oh, I'm very excited, and I hope you have a great holiday with your family and your friend, with the one you love. Okay, back to the video. Today I will make another video on the Mastercam tutorial series on the high speed Toolpath. In the previous video, I have talked about the 2D dynamic mirror with the from outside option. The from outside option allow you to to make the cutting tool cut from the outside to inside of the material. So you can see here the tool will cut from the outside. Yes, and remember what we have defined a machine region here, and we also defined an avoidance region here. That's the cylinder here. And the machine region is defined the area where the tool will make the cut, where the material will be removed. And the avoidance region is defined the area where the material will be kept, not to be cut. Yes, very simple, right? And today I will show you some way to select the machining region and avoidance region to machine different area. Okay, that's the cylinder from the top. And next, please take a look on this. You can see the area I note in red color. We are going to machine this area using the high speed toolpath and also with the from outside option. Because this, you can see this not a closed pocket, so we have to use the from outside option. And when the machining region is closed pocket like this, round pocket, and this pocket, you need to select the stay inside option because there's no place for a tool to engage from the outside. Okay, all right. Uh, Take a look on the rest area. I will show you a few ways to select the machine region and avoidance region in order to machine this. Okay, we copy the old tool path here and pass it to keep the same parameter. We just change the geometry here. Okay, you click on the geometry and you remove the machine region, remove the old avoidance region. So we reselect all chain. Okay, for the red area here, I have some solution to select the machine region. As I told you before, the machine region, we define the area where the tool will do the cut. The material will be removed. So I can select, alright, for example, I can select, I will move to the solid mode here and I select a close loop here. Alright, you can see I select the chain from the bottom. That's the part boundary. Okay, and then we have the machine region, but we can cut all of the part because we just want to cut this red area, so we need to select an avoidance region. And as I told you before, the avoidance region is the region where the tool will live, where the material is not be cut. So in this case I can find a chain to define the avoidance region, so the tool will do the wrong cut. Okay, we click on the avoidance region button here, and also in the solid mode, because I have no pre-created chain here, I need to change to solid mode to select a sitting chain from solid. Okay, can you guess that what chain I'm going to select? Alright, in this case I will select this chain. Look at this. Yeah, the chain from the flat area here. That's the area with the material not to be cut. Yes, we must leave this as the cut. So we have defined the avoidance region and the machine region, and Mastercam we do a subtract calculation. So the remain area is the area where the material will be cut. Yes, very simple, right? We need to change the depth of cut here. I select this point. Yes, 1.3 inches. And for the cuts parameter, because um, we don't want to leave a first part offset here because what? Okay, we'll show you. If you leave the first part offset here, Mastercam will do unwanted motion because this offset the material. So you can see the tool will cut outside the area we want to machine like this, and this. So in this case, you can remove, you can make this error, make this data is 0. So the tool will not go outside this area. No offset material, no um, no more material outside. Just want to focus on this area. So you can see the tool cut the red area. You can see here, right? Okay, very simple, right? We just define the machining region and we just define the avoidance region. So you no need to select this machine region as this big chain. You can select another chain as machine region. So I will copy the toolpath, pass it, and now again I change the symmetry here. I remove the old chain, remove the old chain. So I will select a new machine region. Also for the red area, I will select the loop option here, and I select this chain. So you can see we want to machine that red area. So you can see the red area here is the machine region. Yeah, very simple. You don't want to select the loop, you can remove this, and you can select the face option here. Select this face, and we get the same result. Alright, no problem. So this is the machine region. You can see this the face here. And we also need an avoidance region. Avoidance region allow we can define that area which the tool will not move into. So in like in the last example, I will select this chain for avoidance region. Yes, we have no option, no more option. Yes, we want to leave this. We don't want the tool cut into this area. Yes, and pick. So you can see we have many ways to select machining region and avoidance region, but the result is the same. So that's what we call dynamic. Yes, it's up to you. You select the machine region and avoidance region. Mastercam we do the rest. Okay. Again, I have another option for you. I will copy this toolpath and we'll pass it here. Okay, another way to select the machine region. Okay, I select the geometry and remove the old one, remove the old one. Okay, this time I select this chain as machine region. Yes, like the reverse example. Nothing different. Okay, but in this case, we don't need to select the foreign region. We just need to select. We can select the air region. The air region will define the region where there's no material. So the tool can, based on that, and make the engagement on this and on this region. Okay. In this case, I will not select an foreign region, but instead of I will select an air region. Okay, for this area, and the air region is the from here, area from here to here. In the Mastercam X9, you can select the link edge option to select this edge, this, and this. Yeah, in the X9 version and 2000. 17, you can select this. Or in the XA and reverse version of Mastercam, you can select the PART2 option here and select the first, the start chain, and select the face where the chain locates. Okay, and you select the last chain here, so you also get the same result here. So you can see we have the machine region, yes, here, and we got the air region here. The air region will let Mastercam know where the tool can engage because there's no material uh, along that area. So you can see we have a same tool path. Yes, see that? Yes, and we got the same result. So that's I finished telling you with different of selected machine region we can have the same result with the dynamic toolpath. Alright, we will keep one and remove this. Alright. So up to now, so far, we have removed the top material and lift this cylinder. We have cut the material to make this area in the red color. That's the 2D dynamic mirror and width from outside option. Okay. And next, I will show you another kind of dynamic mirror toolpath. It's also the 2D dynamic mirror, but with another option that stay inside. Here you can see. Alright. I will select with the stay inside option. You can use that to machine the closed area, closed pocket. Like this area, you can see. I will note it in green color for you to see. Model wrap on says solid feature color. Okay, I will mark it in green color. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, I will modify solid fake color. Alright. I will change the area I want to machine in green for you to easy to see. Ping, 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 ping. Alright. So here we go. We have the green pocket here is the closed area where we have to use the stay inside option to machine because there's no open area for the tool to engage from the outside. So the tool need to make an engage motion, maybe a helix motion or a ram motion. It depends on what you select. Okay. Alright. We will select the toolpath, 2D high speed, and dynamic mirror again. Like the previous toolpath, I will select the machine region. Okay, I will select it. Change to the solid mode, select loop or face, whatever you want. I can select face like this, or I can select loop like this, like this. This is the loop, no face. Yes, we have the same result. Okay, we need to cut this pocket, 5 pocket, and the center pocket I will show it in another example because you can see we have a hole here and this can be different with other. Okay, we have selected 5 machining region. Yes, we have 5 machining region here, and we have no avoidance region because in this pocket no material to be left. Okay, so when you skip it, we have no air region because We have no air region. Okay, just that all. We have only machining region, and you have to say you have to change this to stay inside because this closed pocket. Alright, that's enough. With the same tool and same parameter, for distance, no meaning in this case because the tool engaged from inside the part. First pass offset, no meaning. First pass fit reduction, no meaning. Step over the same with outside. Okay, other parameter, just keep the same. Alright, we have here an option that's entry motion. Because the tool cut from the inside of the pocket, it should have an entry motion. Here you can select many kind of entry motion. You can select helix, okay, another option, profile, another option. Okay, for example, I can select helix. The tool will go make an helix motion. Yes, you can see the Mastercam will show you. If you want to the tool make the helix from another from a point align with a point, you can select the point first. Okay, for example, I input the helix radius 0.25 inches and see clearance. Click on this and Mastercam will show you what this meaning. Okay, I will make the helix motion point for example 0.05 from the top. You can select the helix angle, and also you can select the entry, fit, and speed if you want. For example, I can reduce the around speed here to for example 20, and reduce the spindle for example 4000, and you can also define a dwell because you may need a dwell for the spindle can rig the speed before it begin cutting, because if you select a spindle with a low value here, you need a dwell opposed to the spindle increase the speed to reach the enough speed. Here for example 6000, and you need dwell here for the spindle can increase from 4000 to 6000 before it make the main cutting motion. Alright, just noted that in the from for the stay inside option, we should select an entry motion for the tool so that can engage the part with no problem. Okay, the linking parameter, select the depth of cut. Alright, pick a point here to see what the depth. Okay, is 1.3 also. Alright, wait a minute. Yes, you can see that this is the entry motion, but something wrong. Yes, yes, the tool make an helix and get into the part. We need to select the top of stock here because you input 0, so the tool will move from the 0 to the desired depth. It make an accessory motion, so you need to select the right top of stock value here. So in this case, that this is the top of stock. Yes, -1, not 0. So you can see we got the right tool path now. Yes, this is the current. And the tool will make, yes, entry motion, and we'll cut outside. Yes, cut from inside to outside. I will increase the depth a little bit for you to easy to see. Oh, sorry. All right. Ooh. Still not cannot see the toolpath for them. 429. Okay. We can see it now. Oh, still not. Oh, sorry. For example, 1.20. 1.2. Just for you easy to see. It's not the right depth of the pocket. Okay. So you can see we got a helix entry motion. You can also use a ram motion, a ram a profile motion here. So the tool will make a ram motion. It depends on the outside part, the outside shape of the pocket. So you can see the tool will follow the shape of the pocket to make the ram motion. Yes. And for the round pocket, the ram motion will look like an helix. Yes. It's based on the pocket shape. If you want to the entry motion, the tool will move like the way you want. You can draw a chain. For example, I want to I want a tool to move as a motion like the Z style like this. I can select parameter and can select custom. You entry chain here, and I will select the chain. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, you can see the tool will move, follow the chain for entry motion. Ting, 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 ting. Yes, just only this pocket because this chain is located on this pocket. And you can see the Z style motion. Yeah, like this. Yeah, here. I will try to draw another chain on this pocket. For example, a triangle style let in motion to see if take effect or not. Right, we select okay, entry chain, add another chain, for example like this. We generate a toolpath. So let me see. Okay, a Z style entry motion in pocket and a triangle style motion on this pocket. So Mastercam is very intelligent. It will check that this entry motion is custom chain used for this pocket and the triangle style chain used for this pocket. Yes, that's what I want to show you. So that's I talk about the 2D dynamics mirror with the stay inside option used for closed pocket like this. And another case of this is the pocket with the uh, So what's with the aeration? Okay, we copy this Toolpath. Okay, we make another new Toolpath. Dynamic mirror here. Select stay inside option and select machining region. Okay, we are going to mirror the round pocket here, and you can select this chain. Okay, if you don't want, you can move to solid mode and you select this chain here. Yes, the Z coordinate is not a problem. Just define the shape of the pocket. Okay, so we have the machine region here, and what different from reverse example. So you can take a look on this pocket. You can see a hole here in the center. For example, if the hole has been drilled before, if the hole has been created before, so we have this area is already machined, and we want the tool will go straight to this machined area, and we don't want to make an helix or ram because no material here. So we can use the aeration to define an aeration. Yes, select it, and you select this chain as an aeration. So Mastercam, we know that inside this aeration there's no material, so the tool can engage directly into this area and no entry motion, no helix, no ram. Okay, I will select helix, and but if the helix radius is greater than the um, area radius, it will also make an helix. For example, if I input 0.25 and click OK to see what happened. Let's check if any entry motion. So you can see here, no entry motion. Yet the tool will go straight to the hole and cut from the outside, cut from inside to outside. Yes, you can see no let in, no entry motion. We will try to make it see if it make any motion. Okay, you can see no entry motion because we have defined the uh, area here, aeration here. So if we remove this aeration, click on remove, so you will see the Mastercam will create a let in motion, the entry motion. Yes, this is the entry motion. If you don't define the aeration, so you the aeration, if you have another area that has been machined before and there's no material there, you want the tool to plunge to go straight inside that area and start doing the cut. It can save time. Yes, select the aeration. Very simple, right? Yes, that's cool. Yeah, just in case we have machined this hole before. In this file, I have not machined this, but in case of, yes, if I want to say if you have made this hole before, you can use this option to make the cut. No need entry motion. Okay, and I think that's all for this video. We just talk about the 2D dynamic mill with outside motion, with the from outside option, and many ways to select the machine region, avoidance region, and air region. And I also tell you about the stay inside option, which we can use for the closed pocket like this pocket, and we can combine the machine region with the air region for some pocket like this, which we have some error that have been machined before. So the tool can move strength, go to the cut area, and no need any entry motion. Very simple, right? And in the next video I will tell you something about the Mastercam dynamic contour toolpath. We will cut the outside contour of the part, and we can do something with the 2D uh, peer mill or rest mill. Okay, see you in the next video. I will tell you more about dynamic toolpath. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.